How to change your business name on Facebook. I just did a tutorial on how to change your personal profile name, but what if you need to change your business name? A friend recently asked me, and I said, you know what, that's a great idea for a video. And I like to do that. If people have questions about things, they're stuck on something, or there's an issue, I try to research it, do a quick tutorial video to help that person and anyone else. So my friend Maureen at Maureen Bates Photography, she's got a good following. She does amazing photography, scenic photography. But look up here at the URL. See that? That makes it near impossible to tag because it's a bunch of numbers and code there, and it's not a name. So she can do these steps to update, change, edit her business name on Facebook, which will make it easier for people to find and tag her. And so let's hop over here to my business page. So the first step is you've got to switch into your business page. So let me move the Loom interface over. Let's go ahead, and we can do it from here, or we could do it up here in the face bubble with the drop down. Either way is fine. So let's go ahead and switch. So we're switching into the business page. So now everything I do on Facebook is as my business. And so we give that a moment. So once we're there, now we're going to look over here on the left side, and we're going to go to the settings tab. Let that open. And so, you know, Facebook is famous for changing, rearranging, and we have to reacclimate ourselves, re-navigate, you know, where to find things. So we're going to scroll down here, and we're going to go to page setup. So let's move that back out of the way. Now here you see the names. There's your name, page access. You have a lot of other things you could look at, but let's look at the name, view. There we go. So if I need to change my business name, I can do that here. But remember, changing your business name does not change the URL or the username. This is the username. And when you update this, it then updates the URL. So if you need to edit this, just click the edit button, make whatever changes. Facebook will give you the green check mark if it's available. Sometimes the username is not available and we have to change by adding, you know, some kind of another element or prefix or suffix so that we can find a username that we are able to use. It's best practice to have the same username, business name. Same also business name across all your platforms. But sometimes it's not possible, so we have to make adjustments as needed. So once you edit, change, or add, whatever you do here, and you save the changes, you'll have to put in your password to save it. And then when you're done, and you have changed your business name. So when you come back to the home, top left, here's one of the places to get to your business page. And so you will see up here in the URL, there I am. Now, Triangle Social Media was actually not available. I had to add the letter M to the end of my username. I think there's a Triangle Social Media somewhere in the Middle East, and it was already taken. And so, okay, that's fine. Triangle Social Media, the M's could stand for marketing or management. And usually when people type it in to try to tag me, by the time they get to the end, I pop up anyway. But it's just good to know. So let me know if this was helpful. I hope that it was. If you've had to change your name or in the past, or if you know you're going to have to do that, hopefully this will help you help alleviate any confusion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Michelle with Triangle Social Media.